let's understand how we can transfer cash from one branch to other branch. I'm selecting a branch here, Pune, and I want to transfer cash to Chennai. I set up my current branch as Pune, and to transfer the cash I should have two ledgers in system. One is cash, it is there, and second is accounts. It's not there, so let me add that ledger. Accounts transfer. I have added it. You can also create any ledger which you want to create instead of accounts transfer, which can act as an intermediate ledger. Okay. Next is in accounting, journal entry. I can make a journal entry or contra entry. Debit to accounts transfer 50,000 and credit to cash. Cash transferred to Chennai. Pune cash transferred to Chennai. This is just a narration. So I click save here. So from Pune branch my cash will be reduced by 50,000. Next I will go to Chennai branch, that is my current branch, and in accounting entry I will select journal entry, set it contra. This time debit will be my cash by 50,000 and credit will be accounts transfer, which is used as an intermediate ledger. Cash transfer from Pune to Chennai. Okay. Now if you refer to the accounting, business summary, account statement, and if I see the cash ledger for this specific branch, I will get to know that I'm in Chennai branch, so I will get cash entry of the Chennai branch only. If I change the branch to Pune and a business summary, account statement, cash for today, I will get the entry for Pune branch. Okay. Now if I want to see my cash ledger at headquarter level, because I have transferred from one state to the other state, now in that case, business summary, account statement, then I will get both entries here, this entry and this entry. Okay, because I'm transferring the cash, and if I want to see this at a higher level, that is, let's say a state level or little higher, then there will not be any effect on my total cash. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.